Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be using Stackable's wireframes to create a metrics feature to show key points of data on something that you want to feature. To get started to using Stackable's wireframes, let's go ahead and make a new page. There's a couple ways to do this. The first is if you're logged into your website, you'll have this top toolbar. Hover over New and click on Page. Alternatively, if you're on your dashboard, head over to Pages on your left-hand sidebar and click on Add New Page. As you can see, we have given our page a title to keep things organized. Let's add the wireframe itself by clicking the block inserter here, top left corner, and under Stackable, let's look for the design library. Let's drag and drop that into our workspace. Okay, let's close it up to give ourselves some more room to work with, and let's open the design library. Now in the design library, let's navigate these three tabs to wireframes. And good thing is, these wireframes are categorized according to use. So we want metrics, and there are a few to choose from. So let's choose this one since there's an image we can add. And basically, wireframes, if you don't know yet, are just a group of blocks put together, and we just have to fill in the blanks. So for instance here, select image. Let's choose one of our virtual classroom generated images. Okay, and if I wanted to customize it, I can put a border radius on this, right? And these are just blocks, just ordinary blocks, image, and then you'll see this one's a heading, and we have videos for each one of these. And let's go ahead and change the layout for this to center it. And typography, let's go ahead and choose a different okay, and then we can make it a bit bigger. And then we have count ups over here. This text here, I'll just keep it as is. And for our count ups, and then we'll use this to and as you can see, these are just ordinary blocks that we're filling the content in with. And it's a real easy way to showcase important data to your users. So we have an image here to gather your attention, and for us to show how many subscribers we have, our credibility with how many lessons we have, we can put that in so easily. We don't have to think even. So let's go ahead and save this and take a look at it on our live site. With that saved, let's click on Live View Page, and here are our metrics. We have the count up features, our image here, and our information. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. Show this kind of video to other nerds like us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.